Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable recommendations notifications on OLX account. So first we're going to go to the OLX app. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the account section on the lower right corner. Then again, once you're here, you're going to click on settings. Then you're going to tap on notification settings. Since the notifications are not active yet, you're going to click on activate notifications, which will take you to system settings. And you're going to click on allow notifications. Then go back, then click on the notification settings again. So under recommendations, you're going to click it on. So from now on, you're going to receive recommendations about the app. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.